optimal efficiency. The system allocated vehicles and personnel based on predicted demand, reducing idle time and ensuring that resources were used to their fullest potential. This not only led to improved operational efficiency, but also significant cost savings. The benefits of AI integration were clear. Efficiency improved dramatically, costs were slashed, and customer satisfaction soared. No longer were customers left guessing about their package's arrival time. They could now track their shipments in real time and receive accurate delivery estimates thanks to the power of AI. But perhaps one of the most impressive aspects of this AI implementation was its ability to learn and adapt. The system continually analyzed its performance, learning from any mistakes and fine-tuning its algorithms to improve future predictions and resource allocations. This constant evolution is a hallmark of AI systems, and it's what makes them such a powerful tool in the logistics industry. This case study provides a glimpse into how AI can transform supply chain logistics, but the possibilities go far beyond this. So, we've seen how AI can revolutionize supply chain logistics. But what does this mean for the future? Let's take a moment to reflect on our journey so far. We started by looking at the hurdles traditional supply chain logistics face: inefficiencies, high costs, and inconsistent customer service. But then AI entered the scene, offering solutions to these challenges. We talked about how AI can streamline operations, making them more efficient. It can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, predicting bottlenecks before they happen, and suggesting optimal routes for delivery. This not only saves costs, but also enhances customer service, ensuring deliveries are made on time, every time. Our case study served as a testament to these benefits, showing us how AI can have a tangible impact on the ground. Looking ahead, the potential is immense. As AI becomes more advanced, we can expect even greater efficiency, more cost savings, and superior customer service. As AI continues to evolve, it's clear that its role in supply chain logistics is just getting started. The road ahead is indeed exciting.